अमेंड संशोधित करना, सिनोनिम अल्टर, रेक्टिफाई, चेंज, एंटोनिम वर्सन। एमिएबल, एमिकेबल, मिलनसार, फ्रेंडली एंड प्लीजेंट, कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय फ्रेंडशिप एंड गुडविल, सिनोनिम फ्रेंडली, एंटोनिम हॉस्टाइल, अनफ्रेंडली। एमोर्फोस, एनिमिक, विदाउट अ क्लियरली डिफाइंड शेप और फॉर्म, सिनोनिम नेबुलस, एंटोनिम डेफिनेट। एम्पल, एनफ और मोर देन एनफ, प्लेंटीफुल, sufficient, abundant, scarce, much। Amplify, increase the volume of sound, especially using an amplifier, synonym magnify, boost, increase, antonym reduce, contract। Amuse, amusement, amusing, cause to find something funny, entertain, synonym pleasure, laughable, antonym bore, analogous, similar or comparable to something else either in general or in some specific detail, synonym similar, antonym disagreeing, dissimilar, different। Ancestor, a person typically one more remote than a grandparent from whom one is descending, synonym forefather, antonym descendant। Ancient, belonging to the very distant past and no longer in existence, synonym antique, antonym modern। Annihilate, destroy, utterly obliterate, synonym destroy, antonym fabricate। Annoy, झुंझला देना। Irritate, make a little angry, synonym offend, irritate, anger, disturbing, antonym satisfy, comfort, gratify, delightful, please। Annoying, synonym benign, antonym painful। Anomalous, synonym peculiar, antonym customary, regularity, conformity। Anticept, synonym accept, predict, antonym destruct। Antipathy, synonym dislike, antonym love, appreciation, report। Antique, ancient, outdated, antonym recent, modern। Anxiety, worry, antonym placidity, certainty, calmness। Anxious, nervous, apprehensive, eager, worried, scared, antonym calm, unconcerned, composed। Apathy, synonym indifference, disinterest, lethargy, antonym interest, sensibility। Apex, synonym pinnacle, top, antonym base, bottom, abyss। Aplomb, self-confidence or assurance, especially when in a demanding situation, synonym self-assurance, antonym diffidence। Apologetic, synonym contrite, antonym impenitent। Appalling, shocking, terrifying, antonym assured, delighted, consoling, appealing। Apparent, synonym obvious, manifest, seemingly, evident, presumed, antonym ambiguous, hidden, vague, substantive। Apparition, a ghost or ghost-like image of a person, synonym spirit, antonym realness। Appease, synonym pacify, antonym frighten, incense। Upload, approval, praise, antonym denounce, criticize, censure, taunt, chastise। Opposite, synonym appropriate, antonym inappropriate। Appraise, synonym judge, assess, antonym neglect। Appreciation, gratitude, antonym antipathy, disregard। Apprehend, synonym arrest, fear, seize, antonym anticipate। Apprehension, fear, anxiety, antonym excitement, confidence। Apprise, inform, to tell someone, synonym inform, antonym hide, mislead। Appropriate, synonym competent, suitable, antonym unsuitable, irrelevant, improper, inapposite। Arbitrary, random, antonym lawful। Arcane, mysterious, hidden, antonym public, common। Ardent, passionate, devoted, antonym apathetic। Arduous, synonym difficult, strenuous, antonym fragile, facile, effortless, easy, doable। Argument, synonym explanation, antonym agreement। यह है पेज नंबर 290।